Have you ever stirred sugar into your glass of iced tea and watched it disappear? Then stirred and stirred, but the sugar stopped dissolving? That's chemistry in action, and today we're diving into the world of solutions and solubility. Let's start simple. What is a solution? A solution is a mixture where one substance dissolves in another. The thing that dissolves is called the solute, and the thing doing the dissolving is the solvent. In your iced tea, sugar, ounce solute tea, mostly water, ounce solvent. Together, they make a solution. When something dissolves, it breaks into tiny particles you can't see and spreads evenly through the solvent. That's why your tea tastes sweet even if the sugar disappears. But here's the fun part. Not everything dissolves the same way. That brings us to solubility. Solubility is how much of something can dissolve in a liquid. Some things are very soluble, like salt or sugar. They disappear quickly in water. Others? Not so much. Try stirring sand into water, it just sinks to the bottom. That's insoluble. Now here's where it gets cooler. You can keep adding sugar to your tea. At first it keeps dissolving. But at some point, it just sits there at the bottom. That's when the solution becomes saturated. A saturated solution is full. It has dissolved as much solute as it can hold at that temperature. But if there's still room for more solute to dissolve, it's called an unsaturated solution. And sometimes if you heat the liquid, it can hold even more solute than normal. That's called a supersaturated solution. It's unstable, and just a tiny crystal can make it all crash out. Chemists actually use this trick to make rock candy. Here's a quick recap. Solution, Jakin, solute, plus solvent mixed evenly. Solubility. How much solute can dissolve saturated? Jakin, no more solute can dissolve. Unsaturated. Jakin can still dissolve, more supersaturated. Jakin more than usual has been dissolved by heating. Why is this important? Because knowing about solutions helps us make better medicine, clean better with soaps and detergents, understand how pollution spreads in water, create drinks, food, even slime. Doctors, chemists, engineers, and environmental scientists all use this knowledge to solve problems, invent new things, and help people. And the best part, you've already used it when you made chocolate milk or lemonade. So here's your science challenge. Pick 2 liquids and try mixing in sugar, salt, flour, or cocoa powder. Which ones dissolve best? Which don't? Are they saturated yet? Try it out, and drop your results in the comments below. If you like this tasty science experiment, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and stick around for our next lesson. Acids and bases. What's really in your juice and soap? Science is sweeter when you understand what's really going on.